Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the CHHLIUT hidden car radio antenna. A sleek and compact solution for anyone looking to improve their vehicle's FM radio reception without compromising style. The CHHLIUT hidden car radio antenna is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. Its compact size allows it to be discreetly installed under your windshield, keeping your car interior looking clean and uncluttered. The installation process is straightforward, making it accessible even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. You won't need any complicated tools or professional help to get this antenna up and running. One of the standout features of this antenna is its high-quality pure copper cable. Copper is known for its excellent conductivity, which translates to a clearer, more stable FM signal. This means you can enjoy uninterrupted music, news, or talk radio whether you're commuting through the city or driving across the country. The antenna is also universal in compatibility, working well with a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, and RVs. So whether you're in a compact sedan or a large motorhome, this antenna can keep you connected to your favorite radio stations. Durability is another strong point for this product. The CHHLIUT hidden car radio antenna is built to withstand various weather conditions. Rain, snow, or intense sunlight won't interfere with its performance, making it a reliable long-term solution for your vehicle. Its design not only enhances reception but also resists wear and tear, which is critical for any accessory that's exposed to the elements on a daily basis. Aside from functionality, this antenna caters to those who value aesthetics. Its low-profile design ensures that it doesn't draw attention or disrupt the sleek look of your vehicle. For drivers who want a seamless combination of style and performance, this is an ideal choice. You get the clear reception of a traditional antenna but without the bulky, noticeable exterior hardware. In summary, the CHHLIUT hidden car radio antenna is an elegant, practical, and durable accessory for anyone looking to improve their vehicle's FM radio experience. Easy to install, universally compatible, weather-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing. It offers a balance of performance and design that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a no-fuss solution to boost your radio signal while keeping your car interior sleek, this antenna is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next in-depth product review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.